Welcome to Duke. The Office of Information Technology is excited to have you on campus this fall. OIT is here to help you access Duke services, keep your information secure, and provide expert tech support when you need it most. The first thing you'll need on campus is a mobile Duke card, loaded on your phone or other mobile device. It lets you open a door, enjoy a meal, or attend an event, all with a simple tap. In addition to your mobile Duke card, the Duke mobile app is a great way to become more familiar with the different resources available to you on campus. The Duke mobile app puts Duke's most important information at your fingertips. Explore Duke's campus, learn about upcoming events or the latest news, as well as dining locations and hours. You also have quick access to student services like Duke Hub, Duke Card, ePrint, and more. To access some of those services, you'll need to use multi-factor authentication with the Duo app. You'll also want to keep your identity and personal information secure by managing your online passwords with 1Password. When checking your email, don't fall for online phishing scams that can sometimes target students. It is important to report suspicious messages rather than respond to them. You can do so quickly and easily by using the Report Message button found in the Microsoft Outlook email software. You can download Outlook, along with the rest of Microsoft Office 365, at the software licensing page. As a Duke student, you also have access to Adobe Creative Cloud, ChatGPT, and many other software at either free or discounted prices. ChatGPT is part of Duke's AI suite, which also includes Duke GPT, Duke's campus-specific AI tool, hosted and managed by OIT for enhanced privacy and integration. You can also access MyGPT Builder, Microsoft Copilot, and more. To get started learning to use that software, you can check out the Innovation Collab, which offers free classes on subjects like coding, 3D printing, or even candle making through their Roots program. Have an idea you want to bring to life? Stop by the Innovation Collab studios and try out the 3D printers, laser cutter, CNC machines, and more. If you want to make a video for a class, record a podcast, or just need a virtual interview space, Bryan Center Studios is available to all students. Just reserve the space you want to use by inviting it to a meeting in Outlook. In addition, students can get in-person IT support at the OIT Service Desk, available at the link on the lower level of Perkins Library. Here you can also get assistance with your mobile Duke card. Or you can visit oit.duke.edu/help to use the live chat feature. Your journey starts now, and the Office of Information Technology is ready to provide you with the support you need to be successful in making the most out of your education. For more information, visit oit.duke.edu.